he's got his paws up. Look at that. That means he's ready to attack. He's in attack mode. Da da da. Da da da. Meanwhile, back at the Hall of Justice, Aquaman prepares a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Because he can't do crap. Alright. Let's see how he handles against this piece of plastic. Hoo hoo ah 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 ah. Oh, oh, he's like, what the fuck? Alright, bitch. Oh, you see that? He came down on that. He came on that good. Alright, buddy. See what else you got here. Oh, you see that? He ain't playing. He ain't playing, son. Alright, one more. Whoa. He's all, bring it. Alright. Better get out of here before I become less nice. And you might not survive there, buddy. Now get on out of here.